As the demand for reducing fossil fuel use in the maritime industry continues to grow, methanol is emerging as an increasingly popular alternative. At VID FIREKILL, we're delving into the differences between diesel and methanol as fuels and why understanding their behavior during fires is so crucial. Methanol has a significantly lower heat release rate compared to diesel. While this means it generates less heat, methanol also has a much lower flash point, just 9 to 10 degrees Celsius. This allows it to ignite directly, unlike diesel, which typically requires heptane for ignition because of its higher flash point of 56 to 60 degrees Celsius. Another key difference is the amount of smoke and heat radiation. Diesel produces much more of both, whereas methanol can be considered a more audience-friendly fire in scenarios where it's used. However, there's a catch: in some environments, methanol fires can be nearly invisible, which calls for extra caution. When it comes to extinguishing methanol fires, its low flash point plays a crucial role. Alcohol-resistant foam is recommended to create a protective blanket over the fire, helping to suppress it. Water also helps by diluting the alcohol, enabling water mist to effectively extinguish the flames. You can observe this dilution effect if you try to reignite the fire. After removing the foam blanket, the flames burn less intensely than they did before the water was added. In summary, methanol and diesel require distinctly different approaches to effective extinguishing methods. At VID FIREKILL, we are dedicated to continually developing and providing the most advanced solutions available. If you have any questions or need more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us.